colors new. Birds are singing a cheerful song, their melody's sweet as I walk along. The breeze is gentle, the air feels cool, the morning walk is nature's school. I see the sky so wide and blue, and wave to squirrels as they scamper through. With every step my heart feels free. The morning walk is pure joy to me. The sun peeks out so round and bright, the world awakens with golden light. The grass is wet with morning dew, the flowers sway, their colors new.